Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Wow African, and I'm just gonna jump into this. Y'all look at this hairline. You already know when the hairline start off looking like this, it's about to be a bomb unit. Okay, so Wow African sent me this curly unit. Look, they got their name engraved on the elastic band. They got real fancy on us right now. And it comes with the adjustable elastic band. As you guys can see, it's a curly unit, so you already know I already went through and I co-washed this unit like I always do. And look how beautiful those curls, and I'm just trying to get y'all prepared for the beauty that is this unit, okay? So after I washed the unit, I put it on my mannequin head, and I just want to kind of like prep it so that before it dries. So I went through and I added some of my Cantu shea butter. That's an old faithful, tried and true. I'm never going to replace that. And I'm using my Denman brush, and I'm just kind of combing through the hair just to get out any kinks. And then I'm going on top of that with some of my mousse. This is the Lotta Body mousse. I had to re-up on that. I have been out of it for a while, and boy do I miss it. I just kind of really love this mousse over everything else. And last and not least, I'm going to add some of this dang, I'm forgetting everything right now. What's that gel called? The hold on. The wet line. I don't know, like I just had a brain freeze for a second. This is the wet line, and I do like to add a little bit of the wet line to the curly units because it kind of helps the curls mold in place, and it really helps with defining that curl. So I'm gonna just kind of let that sit while I go through with the rest of the preparations for this unit. So I did have some place to go. Y'all already know I always got places to be, people to see, and things to do. So I didn't really, when I co-washed the hair, I didn't really wash it through to like get the lace and the back of the hair, the mesh in the back of the hair wet, because I knew I was about to put it on, and I don't want to put on a wet wig. So I did go through with some water, and I combed the scalp down just to get it to lay down a little bit better, because it's always better to do it while it's wet than when it's dry. And I blew dry it with the blow dryer, and then I was good to go. Now everybody hitting my phone. Wasn't nobody calling me or texting me before I started shooting this video, but I digress. All right guys, so back to this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this unit on. I did cut the lace in the back of this unit. Now I did adjust the elastic band because these units are big head friendly. But guys, look, after I put this unit on, get into this hairline. Look how beautiful this hairline is. It is pre-plucked, it is bleached, and it's ready to go. So guys, I'm finally trying out the Boho Liquid Gold. I'm probably one of the last people on earth who's trying this out. I mean, I would have tried it out before, but I didn't find it on Amazon. And if it ain't on Amazon, I'm not ordering it. I'm just conditioned like that. So this is on Amazon. So I went ahead and I ordered it. And I'm going to give you guys my opinion on it afterwards. So I was reading the instructions, and it says to apply it in sections. So I went ahead and I cut the lace in 3 sections. So I decided to go ahead and apply the liquid gold to the middle part first. And then I'm just kind of like laying it down with the comb, lightly blowing it with the blow dryer, even though the instructions don't say to do that. But I just know from my experience of laying units, that's typically what you do. You kind of lightly blow it to get it tacky. I'm really going to go back later on and watch and see how other people do it to see if they do it the same. But in any event, this did end up laying very well, I might add. I really don't have too much complaints about it. So I went ahead and I completed that same thing on both of the other sides, laid it down with the back of the comb, lightly blow dried it, and then put the lace on top. Now I will say that I probably did apply, I think I applied a little too much of the boho, but I did wipe it clear with my wet wash rag, so it was not a big deal. It wiped clear very clean. Another thing that I will say about this glue, I don't know if we want to really call it glue because it's not a glue, but it's not a spray. It's like in a category by itself. But one thing I do like about it is that when it dried, it didn't give me that like shiny look that the sprays tend to give. So that is a plus. However, I will say that when it was time to take this unit off, it slid right off with the water, no problem. Now, I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. That could mean that it don't really hold that well. Although I will say that I did end up wearing the unit for 2 days, but the edges did slightly lift up. So I don't know if that's a testament to how I applied it or if that's just how the product works on its own. If you guys have used this product, go ahead and comment down below and let me know your thoughts on it. So as you guys can see, after I did that, I decided it's a curly unit. Y'all know I'm not really big on baby hairs. A lot of my units, I don't have baby hairs. I've been trying baby hairs lately because I'm trying to perfect it. However, I always like wearing baby hairs when I have curly hair. I just feel like baby hairs and curly hair go together. When you look at people who have naturally curly hair, they typically have baby hairs. So I decided I was going to get a little fancy with the baby hairs today. So I had a picture as like inspiration because Lord knows I couldn't have come up with this idea on my own. Y'all got to let me know at the end if y'all like how my baby hairs end up. I think I did a pretty decent job, you know, especially to be in like the struggle phase. I think if I keep at it with trying these baby hairs, I'm going to be like an OG in no time. And this is kind of like the same thing I be trying to tell y'all when I tell y'all just keep practicing. Because a lot of y'all don't know how to lay y'all units. And some of y'all think y'all know how to lay y'all units and y'all really don't know how to lay y'all units. And y'all be the main ones who be skipping through the videos. And truth be told, y'all really need to watch these videos in slow motion and take more notes. But I ain't want to gossip, so you didn't hear that from me. But let's get back into these baby hairs. I'm almost finished laying these baby hairs. And as y'all can see, they're already turning out really cute. So I was kind of proud of myself a little bit. I was like, okay, sis, you getting better with these baby hairs. You know what I'm saying? I had to give myself a little pat on the back. Look, there go my phone going off again. When I promise you, nobody call or text my phone all day. Now I'm doing a voiceover and they want to hit my line. But I digress. Let's get back into this video. Okay, I'm going to take that Faithfully Asia Beauty wax stick because it's always going to be in my videos because that is my product and it's bomb. The end, period. And I want to go over that here with a hot comb, just to make sure it's coming off straight from the scalp. Later on, I'm gonna pick it up a little bit, and in actuality, I could have picked it up from the scalp a little bit more, but I do like my hair to be at flat when it immediately comes from the scalp. I do like that little part to be flat. Maybe not as deep as I made it, but it does need to be flat. And as you guys can see, I got this new hair sheen. It's from Lustrous Pink. It's actually really bomb. It gives a beautiful shine to the hair. If you guys are interested, as always, I'm gonna have everything linked in the description box down below. And last but not least, you guys know I gotta go in with some of my foundation powder to kind of blend that scalp in, especially since I did not do a ball cap and I'm wearing a stocking cap underneath. Now, I will tell you that in real lighting, my stocking cap, I couldn't see it, but while I'm watching this video over, as always, these lights just show everything and it just be making me look so immature. But I could have put a little bit more foundation on the parting, but that's neither here nor there. This hair is still gonna be beautiful. Just wait and see. All right, so now I'm just kind of like wetting the hair just to kind of like reactivate the curls, because as you guys saw, I already add product to it at the beginning of the video. So the hair did dry, and I will say that the hair dried pretty fast. But guys, after I wet the hair a little bit, y'all, look how pretty this hair is. Oh my gosh, my phone going off again. This hair is a bomb, beautiful. Let me get a little closer so you guys can look at the curls. This curl pattern is so pretty. This is their tight curly unit in 16 inches. As you guys already can see, it comes with HD lace. It's pre-plucked and it's pre-bleached. And it's reasonably priced considering what you're going to get. And guys, this is what the unit looks like in pure sunlight. It is a beauty. Now, I will tell you guys, I'm not really a curly hair person. I don't know, they're just not my thing. I don't really feel like curly units look good on me. But I was really feeling this unit. I am really in love with this unit. If you are too, I'll have all the information for where to purchase in the description box down below. And guys, of course, I'm gonna need y'all to help me name this unit. Make sure y'all make it a good one. Go ahead and leave your name suggestions down below. And here's the outfit of the day. Shop this look and more on shopfabulous.com, where you get discounts on the units used and reviewed on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. And before we get out of here, guys, I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the Faithful Ham, hit that subscribe button on your way out. And until next time, I'll catch you on the rebound.